Good evening in the Philippines. Today is Thursday, March 12th. And before I start off once again, here is the usual disclaimer. Any comments or statement made in this recorded webinar should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how we trade DTA's Congressive System. Any past performance of DTA's Congressive System is not indicative of future results. I must also emphasize that I am neither a licensed or professional trading advisor. I am just a retail trader like everyone else. And once again, this recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only. Hold on. And I had to get some water. My throat was just dry. So let me see here. We had basically here was your what we call your circuit breaker up here. It went all the way down here. In fact, I'm looking this to, let me see here, 1, 2, 3. That'd be a good one, I would say, or yes. 50, let me see here, 50, 25, that's good.
Order pending.
Right there. Let me put that there. Anyways, if you look at the naked chart here, we hit and yesterday my Fibonacci's actually worked pretty good all the way to the end of the day. So here's the new Fibonacci's that's based on from up here where we dropped down, right, from the opening of the market here during the overnight hours. So now this is where we at. We dropped all the way down there. I gotta find out what the other circuit breaker is, what level is, because right now we're hitting this blue. Now I don't know if it hits this, will there be a circuit breaker there? I have to find out. So anyways, this is we're heading down, right? So let me adjust this here.
Target filled. Order canceled.
What happened there? Why was there an order canceled? That's weird. It must have reached the circuit breaker. Let me see. Yep, circuit breaker reached. So that's the reason why. Accounts, let me see. So I guess ending of today is gonna be another 15 minutes, I think. Let me see here. Trades. Yeah, I think they hit the circuit breaker again. It's gonna wait for another 15 minutes. So with that trade, I basically hit my right there. Around close to 50, because if I take the commission, I keep on forgetting to adjust that commission. So basically commission is only 124 rather than 368. So my net right now is 46.32. Nope, let me see what it is. It's around 50, close to 50, 46.6. That's 50 minus 1.2. So it's basically 48.76 is my net profit. In fact, let me wait for the next 15 minutes. I'll put this on pause, okay, until the market reopens. So right now I already made for my profit for basically, I'm trading, here's one thing, I'm trading E-minis, or no, should I say micro E-minis, because of the high margin, still at 5 times. So I'm trading 2 contracts. My margin is $500. My target for the micro is actually $50 with a high volatility, but I already reached it basically. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on hold until the market reopens, which is, I believe, is in 15 minutes. Okay, so I'll get back to you guys talk to you guys later.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, here we go again, going down. Once again, this may cause another lockdown. Look at this. So let me look at this map here. It's right here. Are we going further down? If we reach that, I think that, yeah, we did. So this is going further down. It's going to cause another lockdown right here. See this? If we reach that level here, we're going to go past that. We'll see. So we did that. So the next one would be definitely down here. Do another Fibonacci extension right there. Like I said, I already made my 50, so we'll see what happens here. This is definitely going back down. Right there. So the next level, I'm assuming if it got locked out right here, the next one would probably be down here. So here we go. Trying to bring this up, it'd probably get up to there. Let me see here. Look at my chart for the so this does go up. We'll see if it's going to make it up to here or here, somewhere here. As I'm seeing right now, you see the VWAP right here. So it might come up to basically, where can it come up here to? We'll just see. Let me see here on my other chart. I'm just wondering if we have any news. I didn't really look at the news. So let's see here. President Trump, he already did. We have the basically nothing red, no red folder days or no red folder news. Let me see again. Just want to see where they're trying to take this. So we don't really have good momentum up yet. We just want to see a good solid one here. There's one. I'll probably scalp this if I buy this.
Order pending. Order filled.
Mm, 537.
Target filled. Target filled.
So that should be done. Back making the most of this. I'm looking for this to see if it goes past this. We'll see. Just want to get confirmation once it gets past this thing here. So here we go up. In fact, what I'm looking at here, is maybe up to here. We could have rode that all the way up there. So we have this other one here going on here.
Order filled.
Since I'm going against the grain here, or against the trend, that's why I'm really scalping it. Because I think this is going to go around up here somewhere. See, that's where let's probably get to the 50. Which I should have put there, but that's okay. That would have been a good ride up from here all the way to, I'll show you where this is going. That's why Fibonacci's don't lie. To here at least, or even up to here, because that's where we have the VWAP. Like I said, there's the 50, went back down. It's going to retest this here. Going to back up. We'll see again. That's why I like this C-bound stuff right here. We'll see that strong momentum to the downside. This may bounce up here. We have 1, 2. We might even take this again for another 5 ticks. We shall see.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Didn't reach all the way down. That was a maybe 2. That was a 2-point loss, so didn't quite reach it. See here, my stop would have been here. Let's see. So there it goes down. We're looking for this basically 1, 2, 3. We're going to look at it here. It's going to try to test that up here once again. See, that's going to test that. I'll take one more trade here. So I think it's going to be going up, because if we can see this, right there up to here, trace down to here, see, right to the 61. So I'm just looking at this. I'm pretty much done for the day. Probably take a trade up here. This will probably go up to here again, further up. It honored this one, so we'll see. I'll give another, since I'm not even 30 minutes into this thing right now. Right.
Order pending.
I want to be chasing this thing, but put it right there for a minute. We'll see. It's gonna hit that.
Order filled.
Right, and basically it's gonna get down to here. Now, 450. If it's going to continue going up, we'll see. So make sure I got a third bar here, which if I do, I'm going to close it out. So it looks like I will. So let's continue to drop.
Target filled.
Stay put. But anyways, here's my, I'm done for the day, I think. Let me see if I can find my thing here. With that loss there. Trying to get too greedy here. Huh. As much as 159, but I'll make it up. I'm down at 29.52. I'm up. So again, this is, it didn't go down there. It's probably go back up. Just got chickened out in that one. This will probably go up. That's what it looks like. Just want to make sure I have great momentum up and upside, as you can see. One more trade. Yeah, that's the momentum that you need. Let's see if it's going to carry through or not.
Order pending. Order filled.
Where is this? 52. Yeah, that's right.
Target filled.
Here we go. So we're looking at this up to here. Let's see what's going to happen here. It may be 50. I'll see it there. That's the VWAP. Even though I know it's going to get past up to here. But it's going to bounce off that VWAP first. Yeah, so like I said, if you saw, I was on mute as usual. Right there, I'm up 68.41. I know this is going to continue going up. So based on price action, I had my stop right here. It's higher. It's a higher low. I was just preserving my minimizing my loss. So I know this is going to go up here. So this will probably be my last trade. So since I have now a stop right here, that's around, what is that? 50. I don't even know what that is. 52. Let me see. It's on 51.50. I want to have it. Okay. There. Now we'll see if it's going to get down to here, but most likely, as you can see, momentum is now going up. So I'll put this in mute, and hopefully this is going to be my last trade. Yeah, I'm looking for this price to get up here eventually. We shall see if it's going to do it, but my target is there and it should be done for the day. 93 down. Let me see to get the exact. This is going down now. Since it hit the 50, if you look at this other map here, right here, it hit the 50, so it's gonna be going down. Just trying to see where a good entry point would be here. There's 1, 2, 3. This will definitely be my last trade. If I get 20 points here, that'd be good. So there it is. I'm done. Really never went in the negative. Just I didn't like this one where I didn't even manage my loss. So that I ended up over 200 to be exact. Let me see here. 368. Okay, hold on. I wonder why there's only 368 there. Because it closed down. Okay, so anyways, what is that? 9, 8. $3.68. So if I look at this, you can tell here's the commission. Right now, 77% winning. commission was at what? 62.56. Let me get back that plus 2,994. Is that right? 62.56. That's 2,994. Yeah, 272.50. So if I took all those three trades, that'd be 8 times 1.24. That's basically what it is. And that's plus 0.62. 1054 minus. So anyways, my net is 261.96. Pretty good. You know what? That's what I hate about this. Is that right? Yeah, 261. Because if you take the gross here, look at this gross. Yeah, 261, which is correct. Okay. With a 77% winning ratio, percentage, I should say. So anyways, I'm done for the day. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. And in fact, I'm looking at this Top Step Trader. They have a new funded account where you can actually trade the micro E-minis. You can swing trade it. Okay. I think minimum is the cost to test out is $100. You get funded. If you get funded, it's I think $10,000. I'm gonna start doing that. In fact, I'm gonna pay for it for tomorrow. I'll record. In fact, I'll record my journey on here on YouTube. My testing phase. There's 2 testing phases with Top Step Trader. Okay, and the reason I'm trying this is this is the first one where it's basically you can trade the micro E-minis. So I will let you know if I'm going to do that tomorrow. Most likely I will. With that said, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a great evening, and God bless.